Today, I'll walk you through how to calculate the percent of row total in Power BI using DAX, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a custom percentage column so you can analyze your data more effectively. First, let's open Power BI. If you have it installed, go ahead and launch the application. This is the starting point for our analysis. Once Power BI is open, navigate to the Home tab and click on Transform Data. This will take you to the Power Query Editor where we can manipulate our data. Next, go to the table where you want to calculate the percentage. For this example, I'll be calculating the percentage of employees that have been issued an ID. Now, to create our custom column, click on Add Column in the menu. This option allows us to add new calculations to our dataset. Then select Custom Column. This is where we will define our new column and its formula. In the dialog box that appears, I'll name the column Completion Rate %. This name clearly indicates what the data will represent. For the formula, we need to input the calculation. I'll use ID issued divided by number of employees multiplied by 100. This formula will give us the percentage of employees with an issued ID. Once you've entered the formula, click OK. This will create the new column in your table. Next, to ensure our new column is formatted correctly, right-click on the column title. This will open a context menu with several options. From there, click on Change Type. This allows us to specify the data type for our new column. Finally, select Fixed Decimal Number. This will format our percentage correctly, ensuring it displays as a decimal value. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated the percent of row total in Power BI using DAX. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still guide you through the process. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.